So welcome to our video game with Pythonista on the iPad, and let's see where we were. We got our ship here that moves with the tilting, then we got our enemies with this random and then when you get hit there is this explosion. But now we wanted to make our ship to fire the lasers. So we have self alive equal 1 to check if our ship is alive, let's say so, and then when it is hit by one alien, self alive is equal 0. So let's go to define our touch begin function for the touch of the screen with the self and touch as parameter, and then if self alive, as we have done, so if it's equal 1, we are going to fire our laser. So self laser equal a sprite node. Let's choose our sprite. So let's go with this plus sign here, images, and let's take this one for now, and let's give it a position that will be position equal self dot shape dot position, the same of the ship, and then the Z position to make it not visible, not be covered by the ship, or vice versa, equal 1, and parent equal self. Then we are gonna move our laser, and with self dot run action, self laser dot run action, and it is an action dot sequence, and that contains an action move by from 0 to, let's say, 1000, or to the end of the screen, self dot size dot h, that is for height, and then action dot remove. Okay, now we are gonna make a sound dot play effect that will be an explosion and the hit of the laser like this, and not so loud, so 0.2. and now let's see what if it works, and here it is. We are firing our laser. Now the enemies come, but they are not hit because we got to define the collision with the laser in the next video, of course.